Computers are actually incredibly dumb. For decades, they could only follow strict rules. The AI revolution didn't happen by writing better rules, it happened by throwing the rules away. This single shift from following rules to finding patterns is the invisible engine behind ChatGPT, deepfakes, and self-driving cars. Once you see exactly how this invisible switch works, the entire maze of artificial intelligence suddenly becomes perfectly clear. Let's prove it right now, using a chair. If you try to write traditional code to explain what a chair is, you have to write strict rules. 4 legs, flat seat, a backrest. Simple enough, right? But what happens if we show the computer a bar stool? It has no backrest. The code breaks. What if we show it a beanbag? It has no legs. The code breaks again. To fix this, a human engineer has to write thousands of new rules for every single edge case. The real world is just too messy for strict rules. This is exactly why computers were blind and deaf for decades. So computer scientists flipped the equation. This is the exact moment machine learning was born. In traditional programming, you give the computer the data and the rules, and it gives you the answers. But in AI, we don't give the computer any rules. Instead, we give it the data and the answers, and we force the machine to figure out the rules. But what does figuring out the rules actually look like? What exactly is a pattern? It starts with this labeled data. We hand the machine thousands of images and attach a digital tag reading label apple. The machine doesn't look at the image as a whole, and it has no idea what an apple is. Instead, it breaks the images down into tiny pieces. It mathematically scans through all the data, hunting for microscopic features like a specific curved edge or a specific cluster of red that consistently show up together whenever the label says apple. It ignores the background, it ignores the lighting, it just isolates the mathematical features that make an apple unique. That combination of features is the pattern. The machine then locks that pattern to our label, creating its own rule. If I detect these features, output the label apple. Let's watch this happen in real time. This is a free tool called Google Teachable Machine. I am going to build an AI that can tell the difference between apples and bananas, and I'm not going to write a single line of code. Watch what I'm doing. I am not programming rules about the color red or curved shapes or yellow skin. I am literally just giving the computer the data and the answers. Bucket A has the label apple. Bucket B has the label banana. When I click Train, the machine does exactly what we just visualized. It scans the 200 images, extracts the mathematical features for both fruits, builds its own internal logic, and locks those combinations to their respective labels. It is learning by example. Look at that. I upload a brand new image it has never seen before, and it instantly knows what it is. No rules, just patterns. This shift from writing rules to showing patterns is the absolute bedrock of AI. Don't just take my word for it. The link to this exact tool is in the description below. Download a few images of dogs and cats and train your own model in the next 60 seconds.